had mentioned something about the lost story and listening. And if there was something that you felt you could offer, say to our audiences, the people that choose to come in, how to listen if you've never heard. Is there a way that you could possibly listen to nature, to hear?
ACMCIS Antapatsatasya Sanemo eats to ears all height sapa quanzalipskagipanakoya. You just gonna have to close your eyes and
one time it all belonged to the people of the forest. And the spirits of those animals and the people that walk this land live here.
do not move. And they'll come to you and they'll touch you. So ever so gently, they'll touch you. That touch will give you the power that you need to be one.
Carol seemed super confident. But after about an hour of walking, I started to get the sense that she didn't really know where we were.
We went out in the boat onto the reef, and it was glorious. The weather was beautiful, and the fish life was incredible. There were tons of fish, and so many colors.
So now every crackle of a leaf, every flap of a wing got louder and louder. As far as I was concerned, there was a cougar. A pack of them, more likely, following us, tracking us, about to pounce and sink its fangs into both of us.
Mermaids?
What does submerged mean to you? And everybody brought in stories. Like so many people brought stories of what submerged meant to them. And we took elements of those and we pieced together the story. And in the process, myself, I was questioning, are we dealing with death? Why are we dealing with death and passing and longing? How is this going to be funny?
Step right up, that's right, over here, hello! Hi, I'm Lavinia, and I will be your nature interpreter this afternoon.
I frankly can't even believe it now, but there was this guy, a Rousty, and boy could he talk. He could charm the needles off a fir tree. We had a thing. Okay, more than that, we had a daughter. Okay, I don't want to talk about it.
All right now, sweetie.
Hi, you're Daddy.
No, I'm not. Take your Lavinia. Wait,
Oh, you guys! Don't go too far! Stay on the
So in the beginning, you think you're going to do a circus and it's going to be fun and it's going to be entertaining in the forest and it's going to be a beautiful story. So basically just be sideways. So you're almost facing this diagonal and then you can just go, yeah. And then I realized that, maybe this show is actually about really mentoring community members and teaching them how to be in this world of theater and performance art, and taking them on the journey from never having performed to showing them what kind of warm-up you need to do, how you put on makeup, how you prep your body, how you engage with the audience, and how you work as a team.
If we had added something like, I don't know, colorful fabrics or some sort of foil.
Okay, what do you think, Sandy?
Oh. Beautiful.
Yeah, and you can actually use your hands to maneuver it inside of it too.
Because that's the great part of play, when we're all trying to create something, like when we're trying to create our circus. One of us will have an idea and somebody else will say, oh, that makes me think of. And then somebody else will say, that makes me think of. And then we build a show, just like we built that creature there.
Bam, bam, bam.
That's the machine.
Inside the robot making
Whatever doesn't fly, sing! A magical wonderland where the sun don't shine. All this plus one-way airfare. Convenient!
So why stories? And why are stories important? Something that I've learned through this experience, creating the Rainforest Circus and collaborating with community members, and especially collaborating with our Indigenous knowledge carriers, partners, and collaborators. Stories are medicine in our lives. They're what we need as individuals and as families and as communities to survive and thrive in this world.
The people here of this land, the Alert Bay, the Kwakiwak, thank them for allowing me onto their territory and welcome me here to their homeland. The ancestors that walked this land thousands of years before us, before we arrived here.
I grew up primarily in Capilano Reserve in North Vancouver. When I was about 8 years old, I went to residential school here in Seychelles. And I was there for about 3.5 years. I was also in mission. My mom was also a residential school survivor, and when she was 10 years old, she had rheumatic fever, and it damaged her heart because back then, I guess the church or the hospital was in Pender, I think. It wasn't close by anyway. She got really sick, and she was told as an adult not to have any kids, but she had 4. But when I was 8, she went in for open heart surgery in St. Paul's Hospital to repair the damage that was done to her as a child.
For me, the first thought that came to my mind was colonization.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, sure.
I feel like I've been so submerged in colonization, and I've resisted and I've resisted and I've resisted because my spirit knows that's not who I am.
So when you invite people to have time and you say, you have knowledge, I'm listening, and to share a circle, which means that there's a fire, which is the vision, and there's people around it that takes care of it, and everyone has a responsibility to make it live.
You have to remember these things that mean something to you, and you have to remember what makes you shine, makes you smile, makes you happy.
Oh,
I would like everybody to have a heart.
Oh, wow.
Oh, wow.
And then I went to see this artist, this mom who's asked us to take her mom's stuff and put it in the forest. And it just came to me. It's like, well, this is why we do it. This is why, because we put everything into what we do, and it's not always great. And we are going to have moments, and I'm asking for support. Sometimes I feel like I'm just like a failure, but the beauty that comes out of it is amazing. So, but it does take balance. So I'm asking everyone to help with the balance part. So, and to go easy on my heart.
It is my golden chain. Oh, my little one, don't you know? A link of my chain goes wherever you go. The link that I give you are my arms that will hold you, is the soft place I make for you at the end of the day.
Not the literal directions one would go necessarily with Submerged, but for me I like the emotional world. I like looking at the shadow, and so I was given the opportunity to keep putting that forward, and in this welcoming, inclusive group we have, that was sort of embraced.
Kids, yeah, you know, if they tell you, don't cry, just hold it all in, keep it all in and everything like that, don't cry. Don't listen to them, let it out. It just, does it feel good to cry? I'm telling you, it felt good for me. Just one sec, I'm just about ready to go. Oh, sorry.
When you rise, little one, keep on rising. I'm Mr. King Dice, I'm the gamest in the land. I never play nice, I'm the devil's right-hand man. I can't let you pass, 'cause you ain't done everything. Bring me those contracts, come on, bring 'em to the king. If you haven't finished your task, have the work assiduously. No, I cannot let you pass. Don't you mess with me. Don't mess with King Dice. Don't mess with me. Don't mess with King Dice. Don't you mess with me. Don't mess with King Dice. Don't mess with me. Don't mess with King Dice. Don't you mess with me. Mr. King Dice, heed just what I say. The devil has his price, and I'll make sure that you pay. I don't have time to mess around, and I hope you will agree. Bring me those contracts pronto. Don't you mess with me. Don't mess with King Dice. Don't mess with me. Don't mess with King Dice. Don't you mess with me. Don't mess with King Dice. Don't mess with me. Don't mess with King Dice.
Who's on 360? Who feels comfortable with having some interaction with the camera? You do? You feel comfortable? Great. You don't feel so comfortable